Hey guys, Virginia here, Makerspace Coordinator and Chief Imaginator Extraordinaire. I would like to welcome you to the COLAB, the Central Ontario Laboratory, where we use ideation, research, entrepreneurship, and social innovation to fuel your amazing ideas and create lasting change. We are here to educate, inspire, and activate. Prepare to educate yourself with seasoned mentors, be inspired by compelling voices, and activate your plan for success. Welcome to the COLAB. Hey guys, I'm Virginia. This is the Air That Lives on Top, and today we are going to be introducing you to our show, the COLAB.
Yes, awesome. And I'm Jamie Doran. I'm the Executive Director of Research, Innovation, and Entrepreneurship at the college. And we're excited to tell you all about our show because, you know, in full disclosure, we recorded a pilot episode and told our audience all about what the show was going to be about. But we did that months ago. And now that we've done 9 episodes, we're thinking, it's a little different than what we had said it was going to be. So we'd like to tell you about what the show is all about right now.
To dive in, Central Ontario has a population of approximately 700,000 people. So how many of those people are we actually hoping to reach with our episodes?
Oh, great question. So of the 700,000 people, we were trying to estimate, how many businesses would be out there and how many people would be contemplating starting a business or want to be an innovator, either be a social innovator or an inventor of some kind. And so we were guessing that maybe there could be about 70,000 of you out there. So that's about 10% of our whole region. It's a huge number of people. And of course, yeah, and we don't expect to reach everybody. So let's pick a number a little smaller than that. Our goal is over the next few years to reach 30,000 of those innovators and entrepreneurs through this program.
That's pretty good. And how many of those do you think are going to be the amazing students that come to the college?
Oh, I would say like at least half of those. Like let's over the next few years reach 15,000 students who are really thinking about being a mover and a shaker and a change maker.
I would really love to see that because watching the students grow and flourish is one of my favorite things to do. So I'm really excited for them to be able to just watch something cool and maybe it'll help them grow. And obviously they can come down to the HBAC Center or even to the Collaboratory itself.
That's right. So you bring up the word collaboratory, really important word. The Collaboratory is something that we put together over the last year. And it is a union of 3 centers that are at Georgian College, and they are the Center for Change Making and Social Innovation, the Henry Bernick Entrepreneurship Center, and the Research and Innovation Office. Those 3 centers have lots of opportunities for innovative and entrepreneurial students to kind of explore their idea, work with the community, or work with another company. So the Collaboratory is our way of kind of pulling it all together. And it's a one door kind of approach. So you just come to the Collaboratory or reach out to any of us and you can get access to all of those opportunities.
And luckily I get to work at the school, so now I can help the students get all these amazing things that I had always wished I could have had.
Yeah. And we also we open this up, like these programs up to the community as well, because the content that we cover in this show is everything from, how to be an innovator, an entrepreneur, and all the kind of skills and thought processes that you need to do, but also like some business tips and things as well. So if you are a business, we will have a lot of insight from either guests that come in to help us think through stuff and explore topics, or provide these really good tips for you to grow your business.
Luckily for everybody here, both Jamie and I have had our own businesses, or Jamie, as he still does have his own business currently, and we've both mentored people, so it's kind of an exciting thing to do.
Yep. So if you want to talk about stress a little bit, there's a list of, it's like the top 10 stressors in people's lives, and there's several that are in the top 5, like moving. So if you're moving to a new city,
yep.
Getting married or divorced is right up there. Having a child, death in the family, changing jobs or changing your position in life. So like if you were going from wherever you're living to going to school, that can be incredibly stressful. And anytime you're doing any of those things, you need coping mechanisms. So like
Absolutely.
a support network, either your friends and family, but also usually there's some institution involved, like could be the school or it could be a church or anything. And they also have services that they can provide to help you cope with it and make it through.
Our college actually has an amazing counseling service as well as like mental health support. I am so proud that I can say that because I think it's a really important thing, especially for the students, to be able to access like counseling for just one of the huge stressors that I have continued to do throughout my life is go to school. And it comes to exam time, it comes to like major project time, and on top of those things, you could have had something like a death in the family, or maybe you've just had to move because your roommates did something or whatever. So you could be dealing with 10,000 things, and they can just sort of help you take a breath and sort of, investigate those.
Yeah, and put some things aside, help you like put stuff down, because oftentimes stresses kind of pile up on each other, and then suddenly you're like, I can't do anything. I am just, totally debilitated. So by talking to other people, they can help say, what, this one? Yes, it's important, but not right now. Let's put that over there. Let's figure out which one you need to deal with right now or today. And then once you start dealing with them, your pile gets lower and lower and lower, and then suddenly you're like, oh. All right, so here's the box. I have put the cards inside. Here they are. Just put that down. Okay. I'm going to flip through. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay.
And stop.
Ooh. Oh, interesting. Okay. This one is the word roses.
Roses. Roses and stress.
Roses.
Buy somebody roses. Just buy somebody roses. If you see someone who looks kind of sad, just buy them some roses and just be like, just because.
So it's a beautiful gift.
Or grow yourself a garden of roses that you can, like take care and tend to them and bring them inside when they're nice and pretty and smelling.
I love flowers and gardening and stuff like that. To me, gardens are like about process and slow change, because you can't just put seeds in the ground and then tomorrow go and eat the vegetables. It's a long journey of cultivating and things like that. So in the same thing with when you are a student, an innovator, an entrepreneur, a lot of people will come up with a great idea, and then they expect it to be amazing like tomorrow, but it won't be that. It's like that, like your rose bush. You need to cultivate it in the right way, treat it the right way, spend time with it, and over time it will grow into this amazing thing, and be joyful of the process, because the process is almost as important as the ending.
We should do the end bit where we say, hey guys, we need you to like and subscribe down here at the bottom somewhere. There's a little, I think over here. Is it over here? Maybe
Like,
it's over here. Anyways,
yes.
You can go ahead and take that little red subscribe button and turn it into a sweet little gray subscribed button.
Awesome.
Like
And feel free to put some comments on there and tell us how we did. And if you have your own stories about stress and getting through stress, that would be really cool for us to
Or
hear
if
about
you want to
that.
join us in our game of talking about roses and stress, feel free. We'd love to hear some awesome ideas and stories to put down there.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Okay,
Thanks for joining us.
Thanks. We'll see you again. Bye.
Bye.